And we are gonna make this into planet! Because Gavin likes planets and he knows all the names of planets, but he is only 3 years old. What are the planets, Gavin? Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune! These are the things that we need. We need paint palette for mixing, and Styroballs, water, pencil, paper plate, and copper. We need an adult! Neptune, Sun, brothers, and a paint, Earth. Oh my goodness! This is for you, Gavin. Thank you.
3, 2, 1, go!
By layer and Gavin is turning black. Oh! Nice! Gavin is an artistic one. That's mine!
Look at mine! What's this?
It's you.
No, I did.
I don't know what I'm doing to myself now. Hey, I make with your I can copy.
Get that even.
Even get it. That's how
Oh.
can I get What is? I have a chocolate necklace. I think the last one You have to color it, Gavin. It's more like I'm seeing white. Wow! You
Kailangan
told me
mag-dry.
it's dirty my hand.
Your hands are dirty?
Yeah. I tap it my voice. Hey, I know you.
You know it?
No, that's bad.
It's a big mouth.
Wow! That was a perfect Neptune.
And what's this?
Want Mercury? Oh my god, where should I put the red? Yes!
Wow, Gavin, this planet of all time. Just do this and it's done.
Ow! I
All I
hate
want-
Mars. Mama, you have to mix red and green to make it brown. That's why I have brown.
Green and what?
Red.
Green and red. Make it brown.
Mama! Look at my ear.
You wash your hands.
It's just on the bottom. Like a little dog. Heritage site. Blah blah blah. Look, I am a They're not yet finished, but I am finished, see? I am done!
Guys, come on! Balik ka dito!
Okay, they are doing the tradition of painting their hands.
Tradition for us. So hard. Hi guys, we're back in a few minutes. We are done. Hello, TV. Welcome my Janet. Look, my Janet. Wow, Kimberly Jupiter. Kimberly Jupiter.
Hello, Gwen. Hey, Devin. What are you doing, Devin? Hey, Devin. Hello.
Tama ba?
So this is our solar system, and it's pretty good. First one, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,
Next.
Venus.
Yay! You like it? You like it? Dinisplay na sa birthday mo?
Not gonna be displayed.
Yay! Hi! Picture!
Hello. Hi.
Oh, anong sasabihin mo sa kanila?
No. Oh, keep it.
Gavin will discussing about
Oceanic.
planet. Oh, what are the 8 planets?
Earth.
Oh, what are the 8 planets? What is the first planet?
Neptune.
Ulit, what is the first planet? I will, turo and then you say it what is the planet is, ha?
Mercury. Mercury.
Mamaya ka mamani description. Oh, ano first planet?
Mercury. Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Venus. Neptune. Jupiter. Mars. Saturn. Neptune. Mercury.
Sabi ko,
Venus.
huwag mong sanggain.
Earth. Mars.
What's that?
Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Neptune, Saturn, Saturn.
Oh, turo mo sa akin, where is the big planet? What is that?
Jupiter.
Ano?
It's here.
Oh, it's here. Oh, what is the, where do you live na planet?
Mercury.
Huh? Sa Mercury ka nakatira?
Oh, Saturn.
What's that?
Saturn.
Earth. What is the,
Tunod to, tapos to. Tunod na.
sunod na. What is this ba?
Tapos na to, tapos tunod na. Tunod na to. Tunod.
Sunod.
Ate.
What is the largest planet?
Jupiter. I guess here.
May gas here.
Yeah.
What is the yellow planet?
This-
Ano yung Venus?
no.
Anong karakteristik ng Venus? Venus is what?
This.
What is that?
Ano Venus?
Venus is, di ba yan yung yellow planet? Venus.
Okay. There you go.
What is the red planet?
Mars.
Mars. What is the ring planet? Ano? What's that?
Sorry.
Ano?
No. That's the Saturn.
It's Saturn.
Being like this. It's like this.
Oh, bye ka na. Bye!
Bye.
Oh, sige.
And that's video, guys. Next time, hit the notification bell and share it. We're gonna see you guys next time. Bye!
Gabi, ano ba yung utang